Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be seeing how to install Java and set up Java underscore home environment variable on Linux machine. In my case, it is Ubuntu 18.04 version. Let's switch to the terminal of Linux machine and open your terminal. Just type this command Java space version. See, you can see in my machine, my Linux machine, Java is already installed. That is why when I execute this command, I'm able to see the details. If you have not installed Java on your Linux machine, you won't be getting these details. So, uh, so if you not have installed Java, so type this command to install the Java. So apt get install OpenJDK 8. Here I am installing Java. I am using Java version 8. So I have given the version as 8. If you want to install 10 or 11 something like that, you need to specify the version of it. So I'm going ahead with the version 8 and then JDK. Okay, this is the command you have to use to install the Java on your Ubuntu machine. Then press enter. It will ask for your password. Just give it. See, if you have not installed, if Java is not installed on machine, uh, it will install for you. For me, it is as it is already installed. It is showing the OpenJDK is already the newest version. It is already installed. Okay, this is how we install the Java on the Ubuntu. After installing that, we again type this command Java space hyphen version. Then it will be displaying the version we have installed on it. Okay. The next thing is setting up the Java. Next, Java environment variable. Okay. So, so to set the environment variable, it will be either will be editing the profile or the BSHRC file. So for that, you can go to terminal, type this command sudo gedit etc profile and press enter. Okay, so you will be getting this file. Okay, here you need to add the uh, path of the Java. I mean location where the Java is installed. For that, go to your folder. Okay, in the users, in the lib, you will find JVM. Okay, so open the JD. So this is the location where your JDK is installed. So copy the path. Inside the lib, you will have JVM. In that, you will be having the installed JVM JDK. So copy the path of it. This is the path. So you have to type like this: Java underscore home equal to user, and then the path is copied here. Okay, and then the name of the JDK folder here, JVM 8 OpenJDK AMD6 version 64. So that details also you need to provide in this line. After providing that, we have given the path of the JVM. Now we have to export that. We have to add it to the environment variables. For that, we will say export Java underscore home. Okay. After that, after adding the Java home, again we have to add the Java underscore home to our path variable. For that, we will be giving this command path equal to Java and then bin folder. Bin is the location where our all the libraries, Java libraries will be residing. That's why we will be adding the bin at the end. So this is how we have to add. So once you add this one, just save it and close it. Close this also. Go to terminal. Now try printing the Java variable. Dollar symbol Java underscore home. You can see that it is giving the Java environment variable. Similarly, you can print the path variable also. And within the path variable, you can see at the end our Java environment location. This is how we add the Java underscore home, and this is how we install the Java in Ubuntu machine. Similarly, suppose if you are trying to after I mean save entering the data and saving the for um, that path, if you are not able to get this detail after executing this command echo java home, you need to restart your machine. Okay, after restarting the machine, you should be definitely getting the details. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.